Okay, let's see, okay. Hello everyone, good evening class.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, teacher.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening, hello Carlos,
Good
Hugo,
evening,
Yesenia,
teacher.
Jose. Hello also Samara, good evening. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing really good. We are starting a new week, right? It's once again Monday, right? Specifically November. It's Monday 6/11, right? Well, from November, obviously, right? We are almost at the end of the year. And actually, we are, I will dare to say, almost like at the end of this English level as well. I was taking a look at the calendar. I mean, we have this entire week and we have the following week. And then we are just having extra, I mean, we're finishing the course on November 22. So that means that we are having only like 2 weeks and 2 days more. And that will be all right. So impressive, right? How quickly time goes, and then you will be starting another English level, right? So if everything goes well, I hope once again to be assigned or to have the pleasure to be your teacher once again, right? Okay, Iliana, I understand. Okay, thank you for letting me know. That's good. Okay, thank you. Really good. Okay, so excellent, guys. We are starting a new week, so let's start. Let's start the class by asking you something really simple. Okay, so tell me one thing, right? One thing you did during your weekend. So who would like to tell me one thing you did during your weekend? For example, you visited your parents, you went to the church, you bought something interesting, you watched a movie, you saw your best friend, you talked to your friends. What do you think? Can you tell me one thing you did during your weekend? Only one, okay?
For me, teacher, I stayed at home Saturday and Sunday
Yeah, yeah, excellent, really
and
good. Thank
take
you
a
so much.
rest.
So you stayed at home and you took some rest, right? Really good. Thank you so much, Hugo. That's fantastic. Okay, let's move on with Xiomara. Go ahead, please tell me.
Yes, teacher and classmate. And the Saturday I went to the supermarket, and the Sunday I visit my parents and friends and some friends. That's
Okay,
all.
excellent. Really good. Thank you so much. So you went to the supermarket and you visited your parents and also some friends. Okay, excellent. Thank you so much, Xiomara. That is really good. I really appreciate it. Okay. May I have another person, another volunteer who would like to participate to tell me one thing you did during your weekend? Another person? What do you say? What do you think? For example, you watched a movie on Netflix, or you watched like a whole marathon of series on Netflix, I don't know. You went to a dinner with your family, for example, you went to a restaurant with your family or with your partner, with your couple. What do you say?
In my
Okay, for her. Oh, go ahead.
in my case, teacher, I was playing soccer
Okay.
yesterday.
You excellent, really good. So on Sunday you played yesterday. Excellent, really good. Thank you so much, Alexis. What position do you play? Do you play as a forward, as a middle, playmaker, or as a goalkeeper, or at the defense? Where do you play in the
In middle,
on the middle? Okay, so as a playmaker, right? Oh, and the middle
yes.
field. I'll say I think they're excellent, really good. Thank you so much, Alexis.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, Karen, just saying, I understand. Don't worry. Okay, so excellent. Thank you, guys. That is really good. Okay, and remember, I know that estamos acostumbrados a decir in my case, ¿verdad? Es para toditos, es para todos, okay? Hay otra manera. Ustedes dicen, pueden decir as for me, okay? This is more, esto es más propio de inglés, okay? Porque in my case, sí es como que literal lo del español es, en mi caso, no, yo say as for me, right? Did this, I practice this, right? I watch this, okay? So remember, it's okay if you say in my case, that's good, but most people say as for me, and they say what they did, okay? So remember, there are some constructions that we translated automatically from the Spanish, so that is not that is not really good, okay? There are some structures that are proper for English, and they are the ones that we need to use, okay? So you say, as for me, today I play, today I watch a movie, today I play this video games, and so forth, okay? So excellent, thank you so much for the people who participated. I really appreciate it, okay? Remember, what matters in an English class is that you practice, okay? Let's see, give me some moments. Important total participants. Okay, excellent. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I want you to go into your books, please, into your, whether you have a digital or physical version, I need you to go into page 95, okay? Page 95, that's exactly where we left last class. Well, actually, we left in page 94, but that is the page that we're going to continue today, okay? So we'll start sharing my screen. Okay, excellent. So this is something that we did last class or on Friday, if I'm not mistaken. We completed also these listening activities, and now we can actually, okay, so actually over here we had a, it says, right, you probably know more than you think. Take a quiz, okay, let's see. We are 95, okay, let's see the quiz really quickly. And you trying to answer it. Okay, let's see. Okay, good. Here we had a quiz, guys. Okay. So let's see where it says word knowledge quiz. So we have question number one. A volunteer, someone who can read question number one, raise your hand, please. Only one person who can read question number one.
Okay. Which place is the wettest?
Okay, can you read the options?
Which place is the wettest?
The wettest, yes.
The
Now
wettest.
can you read the options, please? Can you read them? Okay, so you read the question. Good. Now, can you please mention the option that we have?
Maybe Manaus.
Okay, you think that is probably Manaus in Brazil. Another person, do you agree with that, or do you have a? But where is the wettest? ¿Qué significa the wettest a todo esto?
Será húmedo.
Exactly. If we say the wettest, el más húmedo.
Más húmedo.
So you think it's Manaus, Brazil, okay?
Brazil.
Another person
Maybe.
has a different opinion. What about the other guys? Do you have a different opinion, or do you agree with that? Xiomara, tell me.
I think it's Kauai, Hawaii. I guess. I don't know.
Kauai, Hawaii. Okay, interesting. Okay, so voy a poner la check mark in the two options. Okay, good, excellent. Really good, okay? Let's see, okay. Josue, can you please read question number two?
Which country is the hottest?
Okay, we say the hottest. Okay, it's the hottest. Okay, the hottest. Really good. So we had Algeria, Libya, and Somalia. Ooh, okay. So tell me, guys, what do you think? What is the hottest that you think?
Maybe Somalia.
Somalia. Okay, Somalia is in Africa, right?
Yes.
Yes, it's in Africa. Right? Makes sense. Makes sense. Another person has a different opinion, or do you agree with Hugo? What do you think, guys? Okay, probably not, right? Okay, now we have question number three. Xiomara, please read that question.
Okay. Which country is closest to the Ecuador?
Excellent. Which countries
Colombia
that?
or
Yes.
India or Malaysia?
Malaysia, excellent, really good. Thank you so much,
Malaysia.
exactly, there you have it. So the closest to Ecuador, okay? So you tell me, guys, which is the closest to this part of the earth? Colombia, India, or Malaysia?
Colombia.
I think
think it's Colombia. Okay.
Maybe India.
Maybe India. Okay. Yeah, because it's not referring to the country. It's referring to the part of the air, right?
Yes.
So that's really good. Okay. Let's see another person. Okay. Let's see. Ingrid, can you please read question number 4 and all the options?
Animal is the biggest? A bison, an elephant, a blue, how do you pronounce? Whale.
Whale, yes, a blue whale.
I think it's a blue whale.
I think it's a blue whale. I agree with you. What about the other guys? Did you have a different opinion?
An elephant.
An elephant, the biggest. Okay. Interesting. Okay, now we are in number 5. Alexis, can you please help me read number 5 in all the options?
Okay. Which animal lives the longest? An elephant, a tortoise,
Tortoise, I think it's tortoise.
tortoise, and a green iguana.
A green iguana, okay. Interesting, that is really funny, a green iguana. Okay, so which animal live the longest? ¿Cuál es más longevo? Que vive más tiempo, okay? So tell me, what do you think?
I think that is a tortoise.
Tortoise, right?
Tortoise.
Give me some moments. I need to listen como se dice eso. Give me a moment. Let's see.
Teacher, the elephant.
Okay, excellent. The elephant, okay. No, it's yo cometí un error. Se pronuncia tortoise. Dice nada más a tortoise, okay. So you say a tortoise, okay, a tortoise, okay. So Alexis thinks it's a tortoise, and Yesenia thinks it is an elephant, okay. It might be. Excellent, really good. Thank you. Now let's continue. Let's see. Do we have another person? Who else I can choose? Jonathan, can you please read question number 6 and all the options?
Which mountain range is the longest? The Andes, the Himalayas, the Rockies.
The Rockies and the Himalayas. Really good. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, what do you think? Which range is the longest? Which mountain range? Okay, so ¿cuál es más larga de todos? Okay, so I think that is like
The Himalayas.
The Himalayas.
Okay, excellent. Good. I think, right, that is the right answer. Okay, now, let's see who else can help me read. I think that, let's see, Carlos Rodolfo, can you please read question number 7 on the options, please?
Which planet is the smallest? Earth, Mercury, Venus.
Excellent, really good, okay. Tengo que consultar, pero estoy seguro que se pronunciaba Venus, si no mal recuerdo, okay. Voy a consultar, but I'm pretty sure it was like this. Venus. I think, yeah, something like that, okay. Voy a asegurarme porque I think it's Venus, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, give me some moments. I just need to make sure. Let's see. Yes, exactly. You say Venus. Okay. Excellent. Okay, so what do you think is which is the smallest country?
Venus.
Venus. Do you think that that is the smallest country?
Yes.
Okay, you sound sure. Really good. Okay. Now let's see. We had another person for the other one. Let's see. Sarah Ruth, can you please read question number 8 and all the options, please?
Which planet is the largest? Which planet is the largest?
¿Cuál es el más largo? Okay.
Neptune.
Okay. It might be excellent. Thank you so much. That is really good. Okay. What about the others? Do you agree or do you have a different opinion? Do you think is it probably
Maybe
Saturn?
Saturn.
Saturn, right? Saturn. If I'm not mistaken, this is Saturn. Okay. Really good. Okay. Let's see. I am running out of people. Well, I think that I might repeat some of you. Okay. How many? I only had 13. That's right. Okay. So let's see. Yesenia, can you please help me read question number 9 and all the options?
9.
Yes.
Which city is the oldest? Beijing, China.
China.
Luxor,
Egypt.
Egypt. Rome,
Italy.
Italy.
Italy. Okay. Really good. Thank you so much, Yesenia. Okay. So what do you think, guys? Which city, sorry, is the oldest? La más antigua de todas. What do you think?
Rome,
Eh,
Italy.
Rome,
Rome.
Italy. Okay, you
Okay.
sound okay. Beijing in China. It might be as well. Okay. Really good. Now, which metal is the heaviest? Aluminum, gold, or silver? ¿Cuál es el más pesado? What do you think, guys? Aluminum, gold, or silver?
gold.
Well, okay. You sound really sure about it. Okay, do we actually get to see the answers? Let's see. Give me a moment. I don't know. We don't really see the answer. Okay. Excellent. Really good. I need to take a screenshot because I don't really see the. We get to see the answers. Comments. Okay. We have. Okay, this was really interesting. I like this kind of quizzes because we put into practice, right, what we know. Okay, voy a alejarlo. Let's see. What are the answers? My goodness. I don't know. No entiendo por qué las pone así de ese lado. Ok. Bueno, ya le tomé captura, ok. Así que puedo borrar lo que está en la pantalla, ok. Let's see. Ok. I don't know. Okay, so number 1 was KUAI, algo así dice. Let's see, sí, habían puesto esa. KUAI, Hawái. Ok, estaba buena. La segunda era con L, let's see, era Libia y habíamos puesto en number 2 como Somalia. Oh, okay, can you imagine? It was Libia, el país más caliente. Wow. Si San Miguel llega a ser caliente, no me imagino. Libia. Okay, really good. Okay, now let's see number 3, right? La pregunta 3 era, which country is the closest to the equator, right? Number 3, Colombia. Excellent. Esa estaba buena. Really good. Number 4, which animal is the biggest? Dijeron un elefante o una blue whale. Let's see. Number 4. A blue whale. Excellent. Really good. También está correcta. Now we have, which animal is the longest? El que vive más, ¿verdad? Más longevo. So, habían puesto ustedes an elephant, a tortoise, right? Tortoise, an elephant. Tortoise. Excellent. Really good. Okay. Now we have, which mountain range is the longest? Habían puesto ustedes the Himalayas, right? The Alpes era aquí. No, the Andes, sorry, the Andes, okay? Really good. Now let's see which planet is the smallest. ¿Cuál es el más pequeño? Bien, ustedes dijeron Venus. Yes, Mercury, okay. Number 8, let's see, number 8 is, which planet is the largest? Yes, el planeta más largo, ustedes dijeron Neptuno o Saturno. Y según esto es Júpiter. Ok, no era ninguna. Ok, really good. Now number 9. ¿Cuál es la ciudad más antigua? Ustedes dijeron entre Beijing, China o around Italy. Yes. Era la de Egipto, can you believe that? Era Luxor, Egypt. My goodness. Y el metal más pesado dijeron que era gold. Yes, era gold. Excellent. Really good, guys. So, some of them were right, some of them were not, right? So, I like it. I like it because that is a way to put into practice or knowledge, right? Okay. ¿Alguien se sabrá alguna inventada? Bueno, no inventada, pero alguna interesante y sepan la respuesta. Does any of you know a question that we can write right now? A question that you may have in your mind? What do you think? See? Okay, who can answer this question? What is the smallest country of the world without Google, right? Without Google.
I think that is El Vaticano.
Exactly, really good. The Vatican, I think it is pronounced. Excellent, good. Thank you so much, Alexis. Really good. And obviously, right, if we ask all of you, which is the smallest country of America, do you think that we are the smallest country, or is there another country in America that is the smallest? What do you think? What do you say?
In America is Curacao.
Ah, okay, excellent, really good. So that is an island, right? Or it's a
No,
country?
it's so close with Venezuela. With
Ah,
Venezuela.
okay. Excellent, really good. Excellent, really good. Thank you so much, Alexis. I didn't know that. Excellent. You had a lot of knowledge. That is really good. Okay. Well, that is really good because I thought we were the smallest one, but knowing that Curacao is the smallest, that makes me feel better. I don't know why. Okay. Really good. Thank you. Okay. Now let's get back to these guys. Okay. So the degrees. Okay. Excellent. So here we had 8 surprising facts, right? So who would like to read it? Who would like to read the surprising fact number 1, sorry. A person to read number 1. I will read it first, okay? So it says, the hottest place in the world is Death Valley, California. The temperature there has reached 134 degrees, right? Fahrenheit, or 57 that, no, sorry, 56.7 degrees Celsius, okay? Vecinos, go ahead, please.
The second.
The number one,
The number
please.
one, okay. The hottest place in the world is Death Valley, California. The temperature there has reached 134 Fahrenheit, 56.7 degrees.
Degrees, okay, really good. Remember that the F stands for Fahrenheit, right? And the C for Celsius, okay, really good, okay? I will read number 2 and then I want to volunteer to read it as well. So number 2 says Antarctica is the largest desert, right, on Earth. It is 5.4 million square miles, 13 million square kilometers. It's also the coldest, windiest continent. Volunteer excellence, Samara, all yours. Number 2.
Antarctica is the largest desert on Earth. It is 5.4 million square miles, 14 million square kilometers. It's also the coldest, windiest continent.
Windiest continent, really good. There you have it. Exactly. Now number 3 says, NCIS is the world's most watched TV show. Over 55 million people across the world have watched it. A person to read number 3, please. A person, excellent. Josue, all yours.
NCIS is the world's most watched TV show. Over 55 million people across the world have watched it.
Excellent, really. Watch it. Excellent. There you have it. Have you watched these guys? Who likes these TV shows? Is there someone in here who watches this? NCIS. ¿Alguien mira eso? NCIS. Está en Los Ángeles, NCIS. Josué, tell me.
I watch it.
Okay, excellent, really good. Is it good? Is it good, bad, so-so? What's your opinion?
It's also
It's so-so. Okay, excellent, thank you. It's like from detectives and crime, all that stuff, right? Really good, thank you. Okay, now we are number 4. It says the largest cat. Okay, the largest cat in the world is the Siberian tiger at 7,000 pounds, 320 kilos. It is bigger than a lion. Wow, can you imagine? That's okay. A person who can read number 4, please. Excellent, Ingrid, all yours.
The largest cat in the world is the Siberian tiger at 700 pounds, 320 kilos. It is bigger than a lion.
Bigger than a lion. Really good, okay? Now we are number 5. That says France is the most popular country to visit. It gets over 80 million visitors a year. Another person who would like to read number 5? You can repeat if you want. The person who already participated, you can participate once again, okay? Don't worry. So a person who would like to read number 5? Or do you want me to choose by any chance? Okay, Xiomara, go ahead.
France is the most popular country to visit. It gets over 80 million visitors a year.
Excellent, that is really good. So you see, right, if you can speak French, this is a good alternative to go to travel to exit. Really good. Now, number 6 of the highest price for a car at an auction was just over 38 millions for a 1962 Ferrari. The auction happened in 2014. I volunteer to read number 6, please. Excellent, Jennifer, go ahead. And then please, okay?
Number 6.
Yes.
The highest price for a car at an what is the
Auction, I think. Like
auction?
an auction.
An auction was just over 38 million for a
For a 1962.
For a 1962 Ferrari. The auction happened in 2014.
2014, okay, really good. Thank you so much. Okay, now, Tracy, you're going to read number 7 that says, the best-selling music album of all time is Michael Jackson's Thriller. The 1982 album has sold around 65 million copies. Go ahead, please.
The best-selling music album of all time is Michael Jackson's Thriller. The 1982 album has sold around 65 million copies.
Okay, excellent, really good. Okay, and actually, I was taking a look at the translator or how we pronounce this. Yo escuché como auction, dice auction, dice, okay? It is a word, a strange word, but that is auction. Algo así la pronunciación, okay? Auction, okay? Auction. Really good, okay? And now, Alexia, we're going to read the last one. It says, the planet in our solar system with the most moons, 67 total, is Jupiter. The largest one, Ganymede, I think, is the next largest object in the solar system. Go ahead, please.
Okay. The planet in our solar system with the most moons, 67 total, is Jupiter. The largest one, Ganymede, is the 9th largest object in the solar system.
Okay, excellent, really good. Thank you, people. There we have the rest of surprising facts about things, okay? Finally, it is time to see some conversation, right? I mean, probably the thing, I wouldn't say this is difficult, but you need to get used to it. It needs to watch this symbol, right? Remember that this symbol, you say January is around 20 degrees, okay? So this little circle that you see next to the number, this is called degrees, okay? Degrees. Let's see, por aquí está la palabra, degrees, right? Let's see, I don't see the word, but it is here. Okay? It says degrees, right? And remember to say Fahrenheit, Celsius, right? Depending on how it's pronounced here. Okay, so we're going to listen, and then, of course, you're going to practice it. Okay, let's see, share sound. Okay, here we go.
Page 95. Exercise 9. Conversation. That's freezing. Part A. Listen and practice.
Hi, Lily. You're from Canada, right? I'm going to Toronto in January.
Actually, I'm from the US, but I went to school in Toronto. Winter there can be pretty cold.
How cold is it on average?
I think the average in January is around 20 degrees or maybe 25 degrees.
25 degrees? But that's warm.
25 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about -3 or 4 Celsius.
-3 or 4? That's freezing.
Oh, come on. That's not so cold. At least not where I'm from.
Really? Where are you from?
Well, I live in Fairbanks, Alaska, around 3,000 miles from Toronto. That's, let me check on my phone. Yes, that's about 4,800 kilometers.
Wow. So is it colder than Toronto?
It's much colder than Toronto. It's the coldest city in the United States.
Okay, there you have it, right? I think that we wouldn't be able to survive there because of the weather. Okay, really good. So what do you think? Do you want to listen again, or are you ready to practice, right, by raising your hand, or would you like to listen the second time? What do you say before we practice? Again, okay? Here we go.
Page 95. Exercise 9. Conversation. That's freezing. Part A. Listen and practice.
Hi, Lily. You're from Canada, right? I'm going to Toronto in January.
Actually, I'm from the US, but I went to school in Toronto. Winter there can be pretty cold.
How cold is it on average?
I think the average in January is around 20 degrees or maybe 25 degrees.
25 degrees? But that's warm.
25 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about -3 or 4 Celsius.
-3 or 4? That's freezing.
Oh, come on. That's not so cold. At least not where I'm from.
Really? Where are you from?
Well, I live in Fairbanks, Alaska, around 3,000 miles from Toronto. That's, let me check on my phone. Yes, that's about 4,800 kilometers.
Wow. So is it colder than Toronto?
It's much colder than Toronto. It's the coldest city in the United States.
Okay, there you have it. Okay, so now it's time to practice. Excellent. I want to see as many hands raised as possible. Really good. Okay, so Hugo, you're going to be Alberto, and Jennifer, you're going to be Lily. Go ahead, please.
Hi, Lily. You are from Canada, right? I'm going to Toronto in January.
Actually, I'm from the US, but I went to school in Toronto. Winter there can be pretty cold.
How cold is it on average?
I think the average in January is around 20 degrees or maybe 25 degrees.
25 degrees, but that's warm.
25 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about -3 or 4 Celsius.
-3 or 4, that is freezing.
Oh, come on, that's not so cold. At least not where I'm from.
Really? Where are you from?
Well, I live in Fairbanks, Alaska, around 3,000 miles from Toronto. That's, let me check on my phone. Yes, that's about 4,800 kilometers.
Wow. So is it colder than Toronto?
It's much colder than Toronto. It's the coldest city in the United States.
Excellent, really good.
Thank
I
you.
really enjoyed it. Thank you, says Alberto. Really good. Thank you so much, Sue and Jennifer. I really think that you improved a lot. As that conversation was a little bit difficult, I would dare to say that that was fantastic, okay? Just remember a few words. We say minus, we don't say minus. All right, we say minus and we say kilometers. The rest was perfect, okay? So thank you so much. Keep on practicing, okay? Now let's have Jonathan, you're going to be Alberto. And Josue, you're going to be Lily. Start, please.
Hi, Lily. You're from Canada, right? I'm going to Toronto in January.
Actually, I'm from the US, but I went to school in Toronto. Winter there can be pretty cold.
How cold is in on average?
I think the range in January is around 20 degrees or maybe 25 degrees.
25 degrees? But that's warm.
25 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about -3 or -4 Celsius.
-3 or 4? That's freezing.
Oh, come on. That's not so cool. At least not where I'm from.
Really? Where are you from?
Well, I live in Fairbanks, Alaska, around 20,000 miles from Toronto. Let me check on my phone. Yes, that's about 4,000, 4,008, no,
800.
880,000 kilometers.
Wow. So it's colder than Toronto.
It's much colder than Toronto. It's the coldest here in the United States.
Excellent, really good. Thank you so much, Jonathan and Josue. That was excellent. I really enjoyed it. Only pay attention to a few words. We say January, January. We say January and average, okay? Average and January, 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 okay? There you have only those two words. The rest were well pronounced, okay? So I encourage you to always participate as you do, okay? Really good. Okay, Tricia, you're going to be Alberto, and Indy, you're going to be Lily. Start, please.
Hi, Lily. You're from Canada, right? I'm going to Toronto in January.
Actually, I'm from the US, but I went to school in Toronto. Winter there can be pretty cold.
How cold is it on average?
I think the average in January is around 20 degree or maybe 25 degree.
25 degrees? But that's warm.
25 degree Fahrenheit. That's about -3 or 4 Celsius.
-3 or 4? That's freezing.
Oh, come on. That's not so cold. At least not where I'm from.
Really? Where are you from?
Well, I live in Fairbanks, Alaska, around 3,000 miles from Toronto. Let me check on my phone. Yes, that's about 4,800 kilometers.
Wow, so is it colder than Toronto?
It's much colder than Toronto. It's the coldest city in the United States.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Indy and Tricia. That was sweet. Really good, okay? I like the development of the whole conversation, the intonation, the ups and downs. Those were really good, okay? Only pay attention to some specific words. We say minus. We don't say minus, right? We say minus and we say miles, okay? Miles. Remember, the character from the Spider-Man's, bueno, you know, que te pido Miles, right? So remember the pronunciation, right? We say Miles, okay? Really good, okay? Let's see now, Xiomara, you're going to be Lily, and Jose Miguel, you're going to be Alberto. Start, please.
Hi, Lily. You are from Canada, right? I'm going to Toronto in January.
Actually, I'm from the US, but I went to school in Toronto. Winter there can be pretty cold.
How cold is it on average?
I think the average is in January is around 20 degrees or maybe 25 degrees.
25 degrees, but that's so warm.
25 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about -3 or -4 Celsius.
-3 or -4, that's freezing.
Oh, come on, that's not so cold, at least not where I'm from.
Really? Where are you from?
Well, I live in Fairbanks, Alaska, around 3,000 miles from Toronto. Let me check on my phone. Yes, that's about 4,800 kilometers.
Whoa, so it is colder than Toronto.
It's much colder than Toronto. It's the coldest city in the United States.
Excellent, really good. Thank you so much to Jose Miguel and also Xiomara. That was splendid, okay? I like it, well pronounced, fluency, ups and downs in the pronunciation, falling and rising, right? So excellent, really good. I enjoyed it.
Thanks, teacher.
Okay, you're welcome. Now let's see. Carlos Rodolfo, you're going to be Lili, and Patricia, you're going to be Alberto. Start, please.
Yes. Hi, Lily. You're from Canada, right? Are you going to Toronto in January?
Actually, I am from the US, but I went to school in Toronto. Winter there can be pretty cold.
Who cool is it on average? Average?
I think the average in January is around 20 degree or maybe 25 degree.
25 degree, but that's where?
25 degree Fahrenheit. That's about minus 3 or 4 Celsius.
-3 or 4, that's freezing.
Oh, come on. That's not so cool. At least not where I am from.
Really? Where are you from?
Well, I live in Fairbanks, Alaska, around 300 miles from Toronto. That lets me check on the phone just that about 4,800
800.
kilometers.
Wow, so is it colder than Toronto?
It's much colder than Toronto. It's the coldest city in the United States.
In the United States. Excellent, really good. Thank you so much, Carlos and Patricia. I really enjoyed it, okay? You all will participate. That is fantastic. And I noticed the improvement that you had in your class. So excellent. That was fantastic, okay? Only a few words that probably we need to keep an eye on or we need to listen to really carefully. Remember that we say how. We never say how. No, we say how, okay? We say how. Average, January. Say January. We say warm, okay? Warm, minus. We don't say minus, we say minus. We say leave, Fairbanks, okay? Fairbanks, and we say colder, okay? Colder. Really good, okay? But you see only a few words out of a huge conversation. So I think that that is a really good improvement you have there. Thank you so much. Okay, now we continue, guys. Let's listen to the rest of the conversation. Is Fairbanks a small town? What else does Lily say about? Okay, I think that I had another volunteer. We had Esmeralda, right? Okay, so another person who can complete the conversation. Excellent. Okay, so let's see. Esmeralda, you're going to be Lily, and Jennifer, you're going to be Alberto. Go ahead, please.
Hi, Lily. You are from Canada, right? I am going to Toronto in January.
No, era al revés. Okay, you and Esmeralda are
I'm
going to
sorry.
be Lily.
Sorry,
Don't worry.
teacher.
Está Jennifer. Don't worry.
Okay.
Hi, Lily. You're from Canada, right? I'm going to Toronto in January.
Actually, I am from the USA, but I went to school in Toronto. Winter there can be pretty cool.
How cold is it on average?
I think the average in January it's around 20 or maybe 25.
25 degrees, but that's warm.
25-degree Fahrenheit, that about -3 or 4 Celsius.
-3 or 4, that's freezing.
Oh, come on. That's not so cool as let's not where I am from.
Really? Where are you from?
Well, I live in Fairbanks, Alaska, around 300 miles from Toronto. That let me check on my phone. Yes, that about I don't know,
4,000?
1,000 kilometers.
4,800.
4,800. Thank you so much. Okay, continue, please.
Wow. So, is it colder than Toronto?
It's much colder than Toronto. It's the coldest city in the United States.
Wow.
Okay. Excellent. There you have it, right? Wow, exactly. It's impressive, right? Although, I mean, I think the United States has taken that part of land, right? It is not connected to them, but they are taking it, as always, right? Really good. Excellent. Thank you so much to Jennifer for helping me. And thank you so much, Esmeralda, for participating. I really appreciate it, okay? There are only a few words that probably we need to double check to make sure. For example, we say minus, remember, we say minus. We don't say minus, we say minus. Least, right? When you say at least, okay, we say least. Fairbanks, okay, we say Fairbanks. And remember that we say miles, okay, miles, no, we say miles, okay, miles. And the rest was really good. And only pay attention to the numbers, right? 3,000, 4,800, okay? Only that. The rest was really excellent, okay? So now let's listen to the rest of the conversation and you answer this question. The question says, is Fairbanks a small town? What else does Lily say about it? Let's listen and you give me your thoughts. Here we go.
Page 95, Exercise 9, Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. Is Fairbanks a small town? What else does Lily say about it?
Tell me a little more about Fairbanks, Lily.
Well, it's one of the biggest cities in Alaska. We have a large university, the University of Alaska Fairbanks, and the people there love ice hockey.
I can imagine. What other winter sports are there?
Well, there's good skiing in Fairbanks. Lots of people go there to ski.
Cool. I really like skiing.
And in the summer, there's the famous Midnight Sun baseball game. In June, it's still sunny at midnight.
Wow, sun at midnight? That sounds amazing.
Yeah, it is. Also, you should definitely try to see the northern lights between August and April.
I'd love to do that. That sounds so beautiful.
So, that's Fairbanks. But don't forget the low temperatures.
You know, Fairbanks sounds perfect. I think I should spend a month there. Well, maybe not in January.
Okay, there you have it. She definitely spoke a lot about it, about her local city, about Fairbanks. So tell me, is Fairbanks a small town? Yes or no? Yes, it is. No, it is not.
No,
No, it
it's
is.
not.
No, it's
Okay, so it's the opposite, right? It's the
yes.
largest city in Canada. So what else does Lily say about it, about Fairbanks? What can you do there? What can you see there? Or do you need to listen again?
Yes.
Yes,
Again,
please,
okay.
teacher.
Okay, here we go.
Page 95. Exercise 9. Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. Is Fairbanks a small town? What else does Lily say about it?
Tell me a little more about Fairbanks, Lily.
Well, it's one of the biggest cities in Alaska. We have a large university, the University of Alaska Fairbanks. And the people there love ice hockey.
I can imagine. What other winter sports are there?
Well, there's good skiing in Fairbanks. Lots of people go there to ski.
Cool. I really like skiing.
And in the summer, there's the famous Midnight Sun baseball game. In June, it's still sunny at midnight.
Wow, sun at midnight? That sounds amazing.
Yeah, it is. Also, you should definitely try to see the northern lights between August and April.
I'd love to do that. That sounds so beautiful.
So, that's Fairbanks. But don't forget the low temperatures.
You know, Fairbanks sounds perfect. I think I should spend a month there. Well, maybe not in January.
Okay, there you have it. So what do you think? What else does Lily say about that city?
A lot of people like to go to ski
Oh,
and
okay.
enjoy ski. I don't know. And there is a midnight sunlight.
Okay. Ah, exactly right.
In teacher, in June, there are Sundays midnight.
Yeah.
June. Ah, Sundays.
In June,
June
Sundays are?
midnight.
there are Sunday midnight or midnight
Ah,
Sunday.
okay.
I don't know what
They celebrate, right? In
they
June, they
celebrate.
ce-
Sunday midnight.
midnight. There you have it, okay? Really good. What else do they do?
I think they like to play hockey.
They play ice hockey.
Really good. So you say like this, right? Ice hockey. Excellent. Really good. Okay, what else? What else do they enjoy doing? Was there something else about the sky? Something that you can see in the sky, only those places?
The lights of north lights.
North Light. Okay, good. Sorry, committed a mistake, guys. Sorry, here was mid, right? Thanks. There you have it. There we have it. Sorry, midnight, right? And yeah, the north lights, right? The north lights. Some lights that are between green and blue, right? If you look at them in the sky. Really good. Okay, let's see. I will put this here. Let's see, do we have the answers? Let's see. No, we cannot see the answers actually, okay? But I mean, pretty much what you mentioned was over here, okay? So really good, guys. Let's see, let me just close this up. Okay, we're going to continue to the following page. That was really good to practice a lot. That's what I like. And now we need to put into practice this, right? Questions with how. Remember, we always say how. We never say how. No, we say how. Okay, remember? Like when you say ow and you add the H sound. So it's like how, okay, how. Okay, so let's listen, right? Here you have all the uses that you can do with how, okay? Todos los usos que se le puede dar a how. How cold, qué tan frío. How hot, qué tan caliente. How far, qué tan lejos, right? How big, qué tan grande. How high, qué tan alto. How long, qué tan largo, okay? How deep, qué tan profundo, okay? So let's listen, right? And we pay attention to the numbers, right? They might be a little bit difficult to pronounce them, right? Probably to remember how to pronounce them, okay? Here we go.
Page 96. Exercise 10. Grammar focus. Questions with how.
How cold is Toronto in the winter?
It gets down to minus 25 degrees Celsius, minus 13 degrees Fahrenheit.
How hot is Fairbanks in the summer?
It gets up to about 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit.
How far is Toronto from Fairbanks?
It's about 4,800 kilometers, 3,000 miles.
How big is Seoul?
It's 605 square kilometers, 233.6 square miles.
How high is Mount Everest?
It's 8,848 meters high, 29,028 feet.
How long is the Mississippi River?
It's about 3,700 kilometers long, 2,300 miles.
How deep is the Grand Canyon?
It's about 1,828 meters deep, 6,000 feet.
Okay, excellent. There we have it. Okay, let's listen once again. I want to see you practicing, right, with the microphone off. Okay, but then you practice all the sentences, and then we solve this. Okay, so I will explain this. You know, right? When we say how cold, right, we're referring to the coldness of a place, right? For example, after it rains, it gets cold. So you say, how cold is it right now? How hot, obviously, right? When the sun is at the maximum, right, gets really hot. So how hot, and you measure it with the temperature, right? How far we're talking about distance, right? Here they are using, let's see how far they are using kilometers, right? For example, you can say, how far is Santa Ana from San Salvador? And then you ask, or you Google how many kilometers are in a distance, right, from one point to another. So it's about distance, right? Now, how big, right? How big, for example, in proportions, right? It can be in different sizes and measures, right? From high, from also to the range, right? And how high, right? Obviously, high, you only care about qué tan alto, okay? How high, how long, qué tan largo, how deep, qué tan profundo, okay? La profundidad, ya sea del océano, del Gran Cañón en este caso, okay? So let's listen again, and then we try to solve these exercises, okay? Okay, here we go.
Page 96. Exercise 10. Grammar focus. Questions with how.
How cold is Toronto in the winter?
It gets down to minus 25 degrees Celsius, minus 13 degrees Fahrenheit.
How hot is Fairbanks in the summer?
It gets up to about 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit.
How far is Toronto from Fairbanks?
It's about 4,800 kilometers, 3,000 miles.
How big is Seoul?
It's 605 square kilometers, 233.6 square miles.
How high is Mount Everest?
It's 8,848 meters high, 29,028 feet.
How long is the Mississippi River?
It's about 3,700 kilometers long, 2,300 miles.
How deep is the Grand Canyon?
It's about 1,828 meters deep, 6,000 feet.
Okay, there you have it, 6,000 feet. Okay, so based on over here, let's see. Okay, good. You can see the examples, right? So that you can base on that what the question would be. Okay, let me just erase this. Okay, so we had as an answer we had Niagara Falls is 52 meters, 170 feet high. So what question do you use for all of these lists?
How high?
How high is Niagara
How
Falls?
high is Niagara Falls?
Excellent, really good. Thank you, guys. Niagara, how high? Oh, sorry. Yeah, how high? Yes, I am missing something. How high is Niagara? Niagara, sorry, Niagara, right? It's Niagara Falls. There you have the answer, right? 52 meters, okay? Or 170 feet, right? High. Now we have, let's see, now we have over here, California, it's about, let's see, California, it's about 423,000, right? 970 square kilometers. So, what is the answer?
How big
is California?
How big is California? There is a famous song about this state, right? California. Do you remember the music band that made this?
California.
Okay, how big is California? Okay, good.
California.
California. California.
Exactly, there you have it. Now number 3 says.
You write California.
How long?
How long is the Nile?
How long is the Nile?
Okay, good. How long? Excellent. How long is the Nile? What?
River.
River. Good. There you have it. Okay. Here you have it. Right now, we had Osaka is about 400 kilometers, right? It's about, sorry, Osaka is about 400 kilometers. So,
How
from
far
Tokyo.
is Osaka from Tokyo?
Exactly. How far is Osaka, right, from Tokyo? From Tokyo, okay? Yes, that is correct. Now we have Mexico gets up to 28 degrees Celsius, right? 82 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer. So what question do you use for this answer?
How
How
high
hot is Mexico City in the summer?
Okay. How hot you say, right?
How hot?
How high?
No. How cold? How cold?
Okay.
How
Excellent, okay.
cold? Because it is
How
Fahrenheit.
high? Exactly.
Minus.
Okay.
It's minus.
Excellent. Really good. There you have it. Okay, so how cold gets Mexico City, right? Forget the capital. Okay, Mexico City. There you have it. No puede ser how high porque no estamos preguntando la altura del país, no es la temperatura, okay? Excellent. Let's see. Okay. Well, in number 5, we need to double check.
How
It says,
hot?
how hot in Mexico City? It gets up to 28. Okay.
Fahrenheit. 28.
Fahrenheit. Lo que pasa es de que siempre da la equivalencia de esto en Fahrenheit y viceversa. Por eso es, okay? Excellent. That is good. Good observation. How hot it's Mexico City. Okay. Let's see the other ones. How high? How high is Niagara Falls? Okay. How big is California? How long? Okay. Number 5. How far is Osaka from Tokyo? And number 5. Okay. Excellent. There you have it. Okay. I don't know if you're taking notes. Okay. There you have it. What do you think? Do you have any question? ¿Tienen una pregunta sobre qué significa cuando preguntamos how high, how far, how hot, how cold? No, that stuff. Aquí varios dijeron how high, ¿verdad? Pero nos preguntaba la altura del país. Era la temperatura, ¿ok? But what do you say? Do you have any questions? Something that is not clear so far? What do you say?
Teacher.
Yes, tell me.
La temperatura es how big.
No, la temperatura
No,
es, ya
how
sea,
high.
no, eso es la altura. Si quiere preguntar la altura es height. Es este, ¿ok? ¿Qué tan alto? How high. ¿Ok? Si quiere preguntar por temperatura, pregunta ya sea how hot or how cold. ¿Qué tan frío, qué tan caliente es ¿ok?
Okay.
Excellent. So remember, every time you want to know the temperature, you ask for how cold, how hot, right? And if you want to know how high someone is, for example, how high, okay? So
Teacher,
there you
¿y
have.
how far?
How far, esa es la distancia, ok, la distancia en kilómetros. ¿Qué tan lejos está este punto de este otro punto? Ok. For example, you ask how far is Santa Tecla from San Salvador, right? From one city to another one. And then people who live there can tell you, I don't know how far it is, right? But they can tell you, it's about 100 kilometers, right? From here to here. So es la distancia, ¿verdad? De este punto hasta este punto, ¿cuántos kilómetros hay? Ok, eso es how, what you asked me, right? How far, okay? Excellent. Any question, guys? Any other doubts you may have about this? How deep es profundidad, ¿verdad? How deep. For example, how deep is the Atlantic Ocean? ¿Qué tan profundo está este océano? El Atlántico, el Pacífico, the Atlantic, the Pacific Ocean, right? Okay. Any other questions you may have right now? Okay. Well, Jennifer is noting like this. So yeah, that says no. En sus cuadernos pueden, no se está tomando notas, pueden ponerle how cold, qué tan frío, how hot, qué tan caliente, how far, qué tan lejos, right? How big, qué tan grande, how high, qué tan alto, how long, qué tan largo, okay? How deep, qué tan profundo, okay? And then you, okay, and then
Teacher,
you make
¿puede
the
mandar un
comparison.
screenshot?
Okay, sure.
Por favor.
Yes, okay.
Teacher,
Go
I
ahead.
have a question. What is the difference when we use heat, that is calor, and hot, that is the same word in Spanish?
You mean this one? Heat. Yes, heat and hot.
O sea, cuando estamos, uno que se dice heat, que es calor, y de igual manera hot.
Okay, interesting. Well, I was not really prepared for this one. Okay, I will need to investigate what is the difference. The heat, pero yo he visto que the heat es cuando se alcanzan temperaturas récord de algo, en este caso como el calor, ¿verdad? Y hot, como para decir una temperatura estándar que se alcanza el calor, ¿ok? Eso es lo que yo Me recuerdo esto ahorita, pero voy a buscar, ¿ok? ¿Cuál es la diferencia entre hit y hot, ¿ok? So, I might look for it in the break, ¿ok? So, good question, Ed. I will look for it, ¿ok?
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Okay, good question. I really like it. The heat, right? Exactly. Okay, guys, may you have another question. I am taking the screenshot. Another question, guys, that you may have right now. Just toma the screenshot. What do you think? Do you think this is difficult? So? What do you think?
So.
It's okay.
It's okay. So. Okay. Got it. Okay, give me some moments. I am just sending you the screenshot. Okay. Okay, there you have it. Well, see, I will just see. I am just sending this really quickly. Okay, there you have it, guys. There you have the screenshot that you can use as a reference. Okay, quizás en Google Classroom hay una tarea de eso. Okay, esa imagen les puede servir. Okay, really good. Okay, let me just erase this. We need to continue, right? There are many activities that we need to do still. So let me just close this up. Okay, there we had an activity to write an article. Iba a dejar una actividad para los breakout rooms de esto, pero es como lo que ya hicimos. De hecho, el viernes que les pedí hacer desventaja y desventaja en Salvador, o sea, se parece mucho que a eso. Okay, so probably we are going to do the breakout rooms, but for all our activity, okay? Don't worry. Now we just need to read, okay? Really good, okay? So I volunteer to read the first article, the Lake Vostok, Antarctica, okay? Excellent, Jennifer, all yours. Go ahead, please. And then Alexis, then second paragraph, okay? Go ahead.
Lake Vostok, Antarctica, about 4 kilometers, 2.5 miles, under a large area of ice in Antarctica. There's a lake named Lake Vostok. It covers 15, sorry,
50,690.
15,690 square kilometers and 6,058 square miles, and it's 800 meters, right?
Meters, yes.
Meters. 2,625 feet. Deep in some places. Lake Vostok is prehistoric, millions of years old, but until 1956, no one even knew it existed. It's a freshwater lake, and it has been hidden from sunlight for 15 million years. What this means is that the weather is in some of the cleanest, purest water on Earth.
That the water, okay? You say water.
Water. Sorry.
Excellent, really good.
Weather,
Just imagine it. Yes, exactly. But you did it. You did it fantastically. The numbers were difficult to pronounce. I understand. Okay, so don't worry, okay?
Se lengua la traba.
Really good. Yes. No, don't worry. Everyone, everyone gets to these kind of issues. Don't worry, okay? Excellent, really good, okay? You're welcome, okay? Lo que preocupa de estos lagos es de que, como es prehistórico, hay enfermedades ahí congeladas que nunca han salido a la luz del día. Entonces, si sale una de esas ya, bueno, hasta ahí quedamos, okay? Really good, okay? So let's see. I will have some of you repeating. Alexis, read the same article, the Lake Vostok. Go ahead, please.
The same part.
Yes, the same, with the same paragraph.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. Lake Vostok, Antarctica. About 4 kilometers, 2.5 miles under a large area of ice in Antarctica, there is a lake named Lake Vostok. It covers 15
Thousand.
yes,
600.
15,690 square kilometers.
58.
58 square miles and is 800 meters. 2,625 feet deep in some places. Lake Vostok is prehistoric, millions of years old, but until 1956, no one even knew its existence. It's a freshwater lake and it has been hiding from sunlight for 15 million years. What this means is that the water is some of the cleanest, purest water on Earth.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Alexis. How was it? Was it difficult, easy, so? What do you say?
So, because at the same time, uh, we need to say the numbers and words change at the same time. It's only that.
Exactly right. Having these numbers makes us a little bit difficult. Okay, don't worry. There are only a few words, Alexis. For example, we say square, meters, existed, and purest. Okay, purest. But the rest was splendid. So congratulations. That was a difficult paragraph. I understand. Really good. Okay, so we are about. Nos vamos a ir al break. Todavía no se vayan, ok. Mamá, voy a leerlo una vez y luego nos quedamos en break. Los que tienen la mitad levantada, la dejan levantada, ok. I will read it once. So we say, we all know that air pollution is a problem all around the world. So where do you go if you want really clean air? Well, Cape Breton in Tasmania, Australia is probably the best idea. Cape Breton have some of the cleanest air on Earth. Cape Breton also has beautiful clean water. Why is this? Wine. Special wines called the rainforests cross the Southern Ocean, bringing with them wonderfully clean water and air. In fact, in Cape Breton, people are allowed to put rainwater into bottles and sell it. That's how clean it is, okay? Excellent. Dejen la mano levantadita, ok, por el tiempo. No lo voy a apurar tampoco. So, para de compartir. Dejan la mano levantada y al regresar del break continuamos, ok? So, see you back at 7:30, las 7:30 en punto, ok? Thank you, guys.
Okay.
Okay, guys, time to get back, please. Okay, thanks. Really good. There we have it. Okay, excellent. Thank you so much, guys, for getting back. Okay, so let's see. Okay,
Teacher, don't scare us.
excuse me, Ada?
Don't scare us.
Don't scare us. Okay, sorry, my bad. Okay, well, actually, Ada, I was taking a look at the definitions o la diferencia entre heat or head, y bueno, heat supuestamente pues solo significa eso, the quality of being hot or warm, or the temperature of something, the heat of. Entonces el heat es la cualidad en sí de un objeto, de una superficie de estar caliente. Puede decir, por ejemplo, the heat of, como el punto máximo del fuego o del sol estar caliente. Y hay una diferencia que está más o menos, okay, so it's a little bit, it's not complicated, but it's a, is heat and hot the same, right? I think that was pretty much your question, right? So this is what I found. It says heat is the transfer of energy, usually denoted by the letter Q. Hot is used to describe how much thermal energy an object has. Together we can say hot things tend to transfer energy to cold things via heat, right? If left alone, this is the second law of thermodynamics at work. So básicamente, o sea, heat, ¿verdad? Puede denotar qué tan caliente se pone un objeto a la superficie de algo. Y también heat denota la transferencia de ese calor a algo. Pero hot es para describir que caliente es algo, ¿ok? So heat, there you have the difference, right? Heat, qué tan caliente puede ponerse algo, pero hot describe que heat está, ¿ok? I hope that that can help you a little bit, okay? It's a little bit,
Yes,
I
yes,
don't know.
thanks.
You're welcome. It might be a little bit confusing to be honest, okay? Porque ahí está decía, esto es la segunda ley de la termodinámica en trabajo, dice, pero eso ya muy, muy a profundidad, pero that was a really good question, you know, the difference between heat and hot. Really good, okay? So before we get into the class, I will pass the attendance right now, so get ready for the list, right? And then for the screenshot as always, right? Let's see, attendance, asistencia. Okay, let's see. So you know the deal, right? When you listen to your names, you tell me that's me, that's my name, and so forth, okay?
Me,
Give me a
yes, teacher.
moment.
Me, yes, I'm here.
Okay, yeah, you're always the first one, right? In the list. Okay, there we have it. Give me some moments. My document doesn't want to load. Okay. Ah, y luego de screenshot seguimos con los que van a leer. Okay, so siguen con las manos levantaditas. Okay, so we are today's November 6th. We are missing only 7 classes left. Can you imagine? Okay, so well, Ada Marisol present, right? She said yes at the very beginning. Thank you. Okay, now let's see. Alexis Fabricio Guerra Mercado.
I am here, teacher.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Let's see. Ana María Gámez Mendoza. Okay. Let's continue. Carlos Rodolfo González.
Present, teacher.
Got it. Thank you. Elmer Romeo Flores Guzmán. Okay. Emily Gabriela Rodríguez Carpio. Okay. Let's continue. Esmeralda Lisette Pérez.
I'm here, teacher.
Got it. Thank you. Hugo Adiel Racino López.
Present, teacher.
Got it. Thank you. Ileana Giselle Guevara Ulloa.
I'm here, teacher.
Got it. Thank you. Ingrid Carolina Argueta.
Present.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Jason Ariel Saber Lacerón. Jennifer Jael Guerrón de Flores.
Present, teacher.
Got it. Thank you. Jessica Rosillo López García. Okay, Jonathan Alexander García Vázquez.
Present.
Got it. Thank you. Jorge Amílcar López Urbina.
Present, teacher.
Got it. Got it. Thank you. Jorge Lee López Argueta. José Miguel Pérez Quintanilla.
Present, teacher.
Got it. Cool. Thank you. Okay. David is no. I think that I saw his messages. He messaged him. Was okay. Josué Natanael García Corena.
Present.
Got it. Thank you. Let's see. Karen Yesenia Pasacín de Platero. Okay. Crisia Saraí Portillo Prieto. Okay, let's continue. Samuel Antonio Luber Lijalba.
Here.
Okay, got it. Thank you, Crisia. Good. Sí, Crisia Saraí, right. Prieto, okay. Got it. Thank you. Okay, we'll continue. Let's see. Sara Ruth Gutierrez Silva.
Present, teacher.
Got it. Thank you. Saraí Torres de Valle.
Present, teacher.
Got it. Thank you. Xiomara Lizeth Pérez de Gómez.
Present, teacher.
Got it. Thank you. Yesenia Esmeralda Molina de López.
Present, teacher.
Got it. Carla Lizeth Valle Vargas. I think that she's having white hair problems, right? Patricia Maya Marisela Chacón.
Present, teacher.
Got it. Done. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Really good. Okay, remember that we don't have too much time left, right? So remember to please work on your homework assignments for Google Classroom. Recuerden si tienen preguntas de Google Classroom, de las tareas, ¿verdad? Que hay que hacer, me las pueden hacer, okay? And I will be more than happy to answer that, okay? So now is the time to take the screenshot. Excellent. I like when you turn your camera and you get ready and you do this, right? Really good. Thank you. Okay, so when I count to 3, you smile with all your energies, okay? So here we go. Excellent, really good. Thank you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, smile. Excellent. Thank you so much, guys. Really good, okay? Yes, this is a really great screenshot, okay? Let's see. Okay, there it is.
I have a question.
Yes, tell me, Xiomara.
I have a question, referente ahí, lo que mencionar del Classroom, al parecer, ¿verdad? Que está repitiendo lo que es la unidad 11, si no me equivoco, lo que ya habíamos hecho el anterior módulo.
Está repetida esa, ¿verdad?
Sí, eso le iba a
Sí.
preguntar.
Sí.
11 y 12 están repetidas.
Okay.
La
Got
12
it.
No, la 12 no. La 12 no la habíamos hecho.
No,
Solo
¿no?
la 11.
solo
La
la
11
11.
sí.
La 11.
Soñé, pero la 11
Mm.
sí, con seguridad sí.
Sí.
No la
Sí.
Está
hacemos.
repetida.
Solo
Ok,
la 12.
voy a consultar, ok. Probablemente no, pero voy a consultar eso, ok. Mañana lo haré, ok. Thank you, guys. Got
Teacher,
it. Yes, tell me.
en la segunda actividad, en el segundo ejercicio, donde hay
Ajá.
que colocar cuáles vienen en bote, cuáles vienen en caja, cuáles vienen en tubo, pero aparece al final CAN, C-A-N.
C-A-N, can, botella, lata, ajá.
Eso es el lata significa.
Sí, es lata, significa lata.
Ya.
Yes, eso es una lata, ok. Really good. Okay, and okay, excellent, really good, Carlos. Yes, I know. I like that you.
I think for getting to this meeting. Había olvidado
Ah,
que
okay, excellent, really. Okay, don't worry, really good. Okay, so excellent. I hope that you clarify all your doubts saying yes, Carlos. Remember, I can, right? Cuando no es un auxiliar, significa lata. Literalmente es una lata. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, so we had people pending to read this one, right? It says Cape Green, Australia. Okay, excellent. So let's see. Hugo Recinos, read it, please. All yours.
Okay. We all know that air pollution is a problem all around the world. So where do you go if you want really clean air? Well, Cape Green in Tasmania, Australia is probably the best idea. Cape Green has some of the cleanest air on earth. Cape Green also has beautiful clean water. Why is this wind, a special wind called the roaring forties, across the southern
Yes, yes, me.
ocean,
Wow. Ocean.
bringing with the ocean, bringing with the wonderfully clear water and air. In fact, in Cape Green, people are allowed to put rainwater into bottles and sell it than how clean it is.
Excellent, really good. Thank you so much. I know that that pattern had like some technical vocabulary over there, so that was really good. Only one word we say allowed. Okay, you say allowed. Okay, the rest was perfect, really good. Okay, Xiomara, same paragraph. Go ahead, please.
Okay, teacher. We all know that air pollution is a problem all around the world. So where do you go if you want to really clean air? Well, Cape Green is Tasmania. Australia is probably the best idea. Cape Green has some of the cleanest air on earth. Cape Green also has beautiful clean water. What is this? Wine. Special wines called the Roaring Forties cross the southern ocean, bringing with them wonderfully clean water and air. In fact, in Cape Green, people are allowed to put rainwater into bottles and sell it. That's how clean it is.
That's how clean it is. Excellent, really good. Okay, thank you so much, Xiomara. That was fantastic. Only two words. We say wind and we say something, right? If we say wine, cuando decimos wine, estamos diciendo vino, okay? So wind, right? Wind, de hecho el
Wine.
adjetivo windy, ¿verdad? De eso viene, wind, okay?
Mhm.
Really good, thank you so much. And we say southern, south,
South.
remember south, excellent,
South.
there you have it. Really good. Now the last person who will read this one, Australia, and then the other one will read the one from Singapore, okay? So, Crisia, please read it, please, the one from Australia.
We all know that air pollution is a problem all around the world. So where do you go if you want really clean air? Well, Cape Green in Tasmania, Australia is probably the best idea. Cape Green has some of the cleanest air on earth. Cape Green also has beautiful clean water. Why is this? Wind. Special winds called the roaring forties cross the southern ocean, bringing with them wonderfully clean water and air. In fact, in Cape Green, people are allowed to put rainwater into bottles and sell it. That's how clean it is.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Chris. I like it. You really show up a good proficiency and good fluency. Really good, okay? Fantastic. Okay, really good. Y cuando ustedes escriban párrafos, por ejemplo, aquí no me gusta, como pueden ver, aquí dice, vamos a ver, aquí dice Kate Green, dice aquí, está aquí una vez, está aquí otra vez, Kate Green, está aquí otra vez, Kate Green, estaba aquí otra vez, por aquí estaba Kate Green. ¿Cómo evitarían ustedes mencionar tantas veces Kate Green? ¿Quién tiene una idea? Para no decir tantas veces K-Rim, K-Rim, K-Rim.
It's.
Exactly.
Using animals.
Excellent. Thank you so much, José Miguel. En nada. Usar it, ¿verdad? Si aquí ya dice K-Rim in Tasmania is probably the best idea, ¿vale? Solo dicen it has some of the best, some of the cleanest or the air. And it also has, okay? Really good. Or as Ada says, right? To use another words, right? Really good. Okay, now we are in the last paragraph that says Singapore. I will read it once and then you repeat it. Okay, so it says, the tiny island of Singapore has a population of about 5.7 million people. It also has a very strict rules about the way its people behave. Singapore is one of the cleanest cities on the planet because of these rules. People are not allowed to chew gum unless it's from a doctor. And all used chewing gum has to go in a trash can. That means that you don't find gum on sidewalks. In fact, no one drops trash in the street. There are big fines for people who don't respect the rules, but most people are happy to keep their city clean and healthy. Okay, Adam Marisol, go ahead, please.
The tiny island of Singapore has a population of about 5.7 million people. It also has very strict rules about the way its people behave. Singapore is one of the cleanest cities on the planet because of these rules. People aren't allowed to chew gum unless from a doctor, and all chewing gum has to go in a trash can. That means that you don't find gum on the sidewalk. In fact, no one drops trash in the street. There are there are big fines for people who don't respect the rules, but most people are happy to keep their city clean and healthy, like the
Thanks.
like the country.
Excellent. Yeah, really good. We are the section to the rules, sadly. Okay. Really good. Ingrid, thank you so much. Go ahead, please.
The tiny island of Singapore has a population of about 5.7 million people. It is also has very strict rules about the way its people behave. Singapore is one of the cleanest cities of the planet because of these rules. People are not allowed to gum unless it is from a doctor, and all used chewing gum has to go in a trash can. That means that you don't find them in the sidewalks. In fact, no one drops trash in the street. There are big fines for people who don't respect the rules, but most people are happy to keep their city clean and healthy.
Excellent. Really good. Thank you so much. Carlos Rodolfo, thank you so much. Go ahead, all yours. And fine, and then Jose Miguel, okay? Uh, can you activate your microphone, Carlos? I think that we cannot really hear you.
The tiny island of Singapore has a population of about 5.7 million people. It also has very strict rules about the way two people behave. Singapore is one of the cleanest cities of the planet. Because of these rules, people are not allowed to clow gun unless it's from a doctor, and all uses chewing gum has to go in a trash can. That means that you don't find gum on the sidewalk. In fact, to one drops tracks in the street, there are big fines for people who don't respect the rules. But most people are happy keep their city clean and healthy.
Excellent. Healthy. Really good. Thank you so much, Carlos. Fantastic. Jose Miguel, thank you for your question. All yours. Read it, please.
The tiny island of Singapore has a population of about 5.7 million people. It also has very strict rules about the way its people behave. Singapore is one of the cleanest cities on the planet because of these rules. People are not allowed to to show gum unless it's from a doctor. And also, just chewing gum has to go in a trash can. That means that you don't find gum on the sidewalks. In fact, no one drops trash in the street. There are big fines for people who don't respect the rules, but most people are happy to keep their city clean and healthy.
Okay, excellent. Thank you so much, Miguel. I really appreciate it. Okay. So a feedback for the last four people who participated. Es un feedback general, ¿verdad? Los últimos que participaron. Remember a few words. We say, for example, tiny. Okay, we say tiny. We say island. Way, right? You say way. Behave. Okay, behave. Allowed. Sidewalks. Okay, you say sidewalk. Respect. Okay, respect. And we say chew, to chew, right? Chew, masticar, mascar el chicle, okay? To chew, okay? Chew. That is how you said it. It's really strange, right? Okay, let's try to answer this letter B, right? It says, what is the main goal of the article? What do you think, guys? What is the main goal? To entertain people, to inform people, to persuade people to do something? What do you think? What is the purpose of this article? Who can give me his or her opinion?
And the purpose is to inform people.
To inform people, excellent. Another person may have a different opinion. Remember, we all have different opinions. So besides Jennifer, thank you so much, Jennifer, really good.
Maybe teacher number 3 to persuade people to do something.
And to persuade, okay. Probably to be healthy, right? As people from Singapore, that will be good in our country. We really need that. Another person may agree or may have a different opinion. What do you say? Okay, well, let's check the answer if that is the case. Oh, yes, here is the answer. See, how to inform people. Okay, excellent. Really good. Okay, but I like that you also thought that this could be the answer. As I told you, right? Everyone has different interpretations, right? And there you see it, right? You thought that was to persuade. Probably someone could have thought that this is to entertain people, and that will also be acceptable. Okay. Now read the article and answer. Okay, when did people discover Lake Vostok? Okay, where did they do it? Tell me, where? Let's see, sorry, let's see. When, sorry, when, cuando? Okay, when did they discover it?
1956.
Excellent, there you have me. But until, right, hasta ese año, okay? Really good. Now we have the other question. How long has Lake Vostok been hiding? Okay, how long? How long? Okay, how
15
long?
million years, I think.
Excellent, really good. See from...
Yeah, 15 million years.
Okay, there you have it. So ahí está preguntando por el tiempo, okay, que ha estado oculto. Really good. So what do things is Cape Green famous for?
Because of the water and air, and the air.
The water and air, the two qualities, right? Really good. Now we have, what's the main reason that Cape Green is so clean? What is the main reason?
It is because the wind.
Because of the wind, right? It has like the purest wind, right? Really good. Okay, now we have, how many people live in Singapore? I think this is easy, right? This is easy, right?
5.7 million people.
Excellent. And the last one, what happens when people break the rules in Singapore? What happens?
They
They
pay
get killed?
big fines. They pay fines.
Okay, really good. I thought that they get killed, but no, right? That is not the case. Good, thank you so much. Okay, what do you think is the cleanest place in your country? Oh, okay, so Tell me, guys, what is the city, the cleanest city in our country? ¿Cuál es el departamento más limpio de El Salvador? What do you, I want to hear opinions, different opinions. I think it is Santa Tecla, I think, but I am not sure. You tell me, you tell me.
Yes, I agree with you, teacher, because
And I am,
I saw that.
me too, and I am from Santa Ana, imagine, okay?
I think that
An,
is Nuevo
an,
Cuscatlán.
Antiguo Cuscatlán.
Antiguo Cuscatlán.
Antiguo, no nuevo, okay, so Antiguo Cuscatlán, okay. Another opinion?
I think that the most, or maybe the cleanest, right?
Yes, yes.
Place in our country, El Salvador, I think that is Los Cóbanos, the beach. Los
Cóbanos
Cóbanos.
Beach. Okay.
Because always the people or workers in that place are cleaning that part because it's one area protected by the government.
Oh, it's a protected area. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Interesting. Thank you so much. And probably because that is a touristic destiny for many people, right? For many people, international and national people. Excellent. So you have Santa Tecla, Antiguo, Cuscatlán, and Cóbanos Beach. So those ones are like, are there more options? Do you have more opinions, guys? What about the others? Do you think these are the most cleanest part of our country, or are there more? What do you say? Do you agree? Do you don't agree? I think that these ones are the most, at least, right? Okay, really good. I like it. I like, at least we have some parts of the city that can function as an example for the other cities, right? Okay, why is it so clean? ¿Por qué es tan limpio Antiguo Cuscatlán? ¿Por qué es tan limpio Santa Tecla? Alexis told me, right, that there are people constantly cleaning in Cóbanos Beach. So what about Antiguo Cuscatlán? Why is it so clean? What can you say about it? Why? Because of the local government, por la municipalidad de ellos, because of their local government.
Yes, I think because it's the local government and I visit Antiguo Cuscatlán one Sunday and the worker cleaning the street every
Okay.
moment, cleaning the street at 2 p.m. and late and then cleaning the street at 6 p.m.
Okay.
Teacher.
So they had different schedules to clean the street. Excellent. Thank you so much, Jose Miguel. Really good. Yesenia, tell me.
Yes, the Santa Tecla is cleaning. The
It's cleaned
is
because.
clean sanitation, clean room 3 times a week.
Okay. So they get people who clean it 3 times a week. Oh, okay.
Yes, it's
That is
very
really
good.
good. It's a very good city. Yes, I love going to Santa Tecla. I like that city. I don't know why I like it so much, right? I don't know why, but I like it, okay? Really good. I don't know. I don't know why. And I hope that one day I can go to Antiguo Cuscatlán. If now that you mentioned, right, Santa Ruth and Jose Miguel, now that you told me that it's a really clean city, right? It's like, okay, so it's worth going, right? It's worth going, okay? Okay, excellent. So here we have some answers. Well, some questions, sorry, some questions that we can answer right now in the main meeting because I have like another activity for you to do into the breakout room. So let's see. Sorry, my computer is a little bit slow. Okay, there we have it. So it says, okay, I want volunteers to answer. Okay, I hope to see many hands raised. So what food are you crazy about? What is something that you love that you cannot live without when it comes to food? What food are you crazy about? What do you say? For example, in my case, I am crazy about Subways. I love them. I love eating Subways.
I love it
What
too.
about you? Yeah, excellent, Jonathan. Really good. Okay, Tricia, tell me, please.
I love pupusas because of the cheese.
Oh, excellent. Really, I like your answer. Really good. Xiomara, tell me, please.
Yeah, I have two crazy foods.
Go ahead.
Pupusas with cheese and beans and seafood. I
And
love that.
seafood. Seafood. Me too. Really good. Thank you so much, Xiomara. Fantastic. Jennifer, tell us, please.
My favorite plate and my favorite food is no, pescado frito, fried fish,
Yes, fried fish.
fried
Exactly.
fish. Yeah, because when I was pregnant, tenía un antojo. No sé cómo decir.
Okay. I don't know how to
And,
say antojo. Yes, continue, please. I
and
will.
since then, it's my favorite food.
Okay, so because it was what you whim, se dice whim así, ve. That is a strange. So you had a whim when you were pregnant. That is interesting. So because of your pregnancy, you developed like a whim, right? Or a passion for the fried fish. Really interesting.
Yes.
Okay. So because of your baby, now you love fried chicken,
Yeah,
fried
he
fish.
loves the fried fish.
Oh,
Actually.
so probably he transmitted that to you, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Excellent, really interesting. Thank you so much, Jennifer. That is interesting. Okay, really good. Yesenia, please share with us.
Yes, my favorite food is street trip, shrimp, camarones.
Shrimp camarones. Shrimp,
Yes,
shrimp.
shrimp,
Okay.
shrimp, or Wendy hamburger.
And Wendy's hamburgers.
Yes,
Or you
yes.
can say Wendy's, okay?
Restaurant.
Solo con decir Wendy's ya se
Wendy's.
entiende.
Okay. Wendy's. Fish. ¿Cómo es pescado frito?
Fried fish.
Fried fish. Yes, I love. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Thanks to you, Yesenia, for sharing with us. Now let's have Ada Marisol, please share with us.
I love the hamburger and the tacos. Those are my favorite food and I crave me.
Okay, excellent. Thank you so much. So yes, you are crazy about those food, right? About the tacos, I understand that they are really delicious. Thank you so much. So thank you guys for sharing with me your opinions. Okay, now we had the opposite. Now we have what food can you stand? ¿Qué comida detestan, por decirlo así? That you cannot see it because, no, you want to throw out.
Green
Tell me, raise
paper.
your hand. Which one, Miguel?
Green paper.
Green pepper, you mean?
Pepper.
Or?
Yes, pepper.
Green pepper. Okay. Thank you so. I heard paper, but no, pepper. Really good. Thank you so much. Okay. Let's see. Ingrid, please tell me what is a food you can't stand?
I can stand seafood.
You can't stand seafood, really? Not any kind?
No, I don't like.
Come on, Ingrid. Seafood. Well, it's your taste, right? It's something that you can stand. Okay, you see, right? We have different tastes. Really good. Thank you so much, Ingrid. I didn't know that you can stand seafood. Really good. Okay, so not even fried fish, right? Not even that. Okay, good. Let's have Hugo Lecinos. Please tell me what is a food you can't stand.
Okay, for me, I don't like pasta.
Come on, you don't like pasta.
Yeah, I don't like.
Pasta is delicious.
For me, no.
But why don't you like it? Is simple or
I think it's
something
simple.
like that?
If for simple
It's
and I
simple.
don't like the texture, not
The taste.
see.
The texture.
Exactly.
Oh,
I don't know why,
okay,
but
wow.
I don't like it.
Okay, so they serve you a huge plate of pasta and you're like, no, please, right?
Yes.
Get that out of my face, right?
Yes.
Okay. Interesting. Thank you so much. Hugo thinks that it's simple. He doesn't like the texture, so he doesn't like long things like this, right? Yeah, thank you so much, Hugo. Fantastic. Let's have Sarah Ruth, please tell me. Your microphone is off. Can you turn it on?
I don't like papaya. No,
Okay,
no,
me
no,
neither.
no. And
Okay.
flower of isote? No,
Okay, so we only say isote, okay?
I don't like. No.
Me neither. Nah, me neither. Yes. Excellent.
Only.
Really good. Thank you. Excellent. Only that. Okay, excellent. Thank you so much. Exactly. I don't know why some people have this thing of eating the national flower, right? We eat that, or no, right? That makes no sense. Okay, really good. I don't know why people like it. Good. Thank you so much. I agree with you. Okay, let's have Carlos Rodolfo, please share with us. No, the microphone, you close it at the end, okay?
I don't like spaghettis and berenjenas.
Spaghetti, okay? And I don't know how do I say that. Give me some moments. Let's see. Let's see. Sorry, give me.
Berenjena is eggplant. Berenjena.
Eggplant. Excellent. Thank you so much. Really good. Eggplant. It's really strange. Okay. Excellent. Yeah, I don't like eggplant either. Thank you so much, Carlos, and thank you so much, Ada, for helping me out. Let's have Crisia. Please tell me what is a food that you can't stand.
I also can stand seafood, especially if it's raw fish, raw food,
Okay.
like sushi or so.
Okay, I understand now. Okay, excellent. Thank you so much, Chris. So yes, you can't stand seafood neither, especially something that is really fresh, right? Like sushi and so forth.
Yes.
Yeah, right? Okay. Excellent. I understand. Well, it's not for everyone, right? Each person has different tastes. Really good. Adam Marisol, it's your chance. Tell me a food that you can't stand.
The Maruchan.
Maruchan soup, you don't like it?
Yeah, I don't like the Maruchan soup.
Why? Because of the taste, por el sabor, the taste, or
Yeah,
why?
but
Okay, it's too artificial, right?
yeah. Once time I proved this soup, eh, no me gustó, simplemente por
Okay,
el sabor.
you didn't like it. You simply didn't. Yes, the taste is really artificial, right? I mean, it's made to stay in that thing for a long time, right? Really good. Thank you so much. Excellent. Okay, now, Xiomara, go ahead. Please tell me. Share with us.
Yes, teacher. I can stand pakaya like sararut and sushi.
And sushi. So kind of like a seafood, right? You don't like some seafoods, okay?
Seafood, I mean, shrimp and soup, crema de mariscos, y me encanta. Todo lo relacionado a eso, menos sushi.
Okay, so you have some sections, not all the seafood, but you love some of them, okay?
Yes.
Interesting. Interesting. Thank you so much, Xiomara. Really good. Jennifer, it's your turn. Tell us, please, share with us.
Well, when I was a child, I didn't like vegetables, all kind of vegetables. But
Okay.
one day I get sick.
By
¿Cómo se
God?
dice? Got hepatitis. I don't know, hepatitis. I got
Okay, you
hepatitis,
get that, uh-huh.
and my mom gave me all kind of vegetables because it was more healthy for me. And I ate Eggplant. Breaded eggplant.
Okay.
Berenjena como forrada, no sé, como
Okay.
empanizada sería.
Also fried eggplant, right? Okay.
Ajá, es como que usted agarrara la berenjena y le echara así para empanizarla.
Okay.
It was so delicious and I love it. I changed my mind. It changed. Yeah.
Well, so your mind was like,
yeah. And nowadays I can't stand sushi. I don't like.
you don't like the taste of
No.
sushi, okay? Excellent, thank you so much, Jennifer, really. And we say hepatitis, porque lo busqué y se escribe igual, so we say hepatitis, okay? Really good.
Hepatitis, yeah.
Hepatitis, something like that, okay? Thank you so much, Jennifer, for sharing that childhood experience. That was really awesome, really good, okay? Finally, Sarai Torres, please, something that you can't stand, a food.
I don't like food, papaya and berenjena.
Berenjena, like eggplant, right? You say eggplant.
Papaya and papaya.
And papaya too. Okay. Excellent. What else? Only that, okay? Excellent, really good. Thank you so much today for sharing. Thank you everyone for sharing all that. I really appreciate it, okay? Let's answer the last question. What restaurant do you like a lot? What is a restaurant that you always go, that you never get tired of going? Can you tell me one restaurant, at least one, that you like a lot, right? In my case, it will always
Pollo
be...
campero.
Okay. Excellent, Jose Miguel. Pollo Campero, what else? Another person may have a different
La
option.
Siciliana.
Wendy's.
Wendy's, okay, excellent. Thank you so much. I didn't know of that place. Excellent, another person. Sarai, go ahead, please.
I like pollo campestre.
Pollo Campero. You see the competence of...
I like it.
Okay, excellent. Thank you, Sarai. So you see, she likes the competence of Pollo Campero, right? Pollo Campestre, okay? Really good. Another opinion, another restaurant that you had in your minds.
I like fish, Puerto Marisco.
Okay, Puerto Marisco. Okay, that sounds really interesting, okay, and tasty at the same time. Thank you so much, Patricia. Really good. So you love seafood, right? That is basically it. You love seafood. Okay, really good. Thank you guys for sharing your opinions. I love it, okay? And you see now, you see related to that, we have listened to 6 requests in a restaurant. Check the best response. Okay, let's listen and then you give me the answer. So here we go. See your sound, okay?
Units 13 to 14, progress check. Page 98, exercise 2. Listening. In a restaurant. Listen to 6 requests in a restaurant. Check the best response. 1,
Could we have a table for 2, please?
2,
Can I get you anything to drink?
3,
What would you like for dinner?
4,
What kind of dressing would you like?
5,
What vegetable would you like?
6.
Would you like dessert?
Okay, there we have it. Since it is really short, we're going to listen again one by one and you give me the answers, okay? Here we go.
Units 13 to 14, progress check. Page 98, exercise 2. Listening. In a restaurant. Listen to 6 requests in a restaurant. Check the best response. 1,
Could we have a table for 2, please?
Okay, could we have a table for 2, please? What is the best response to that?
Yes, this way, please.
Yes, this way,
Yes,
please.
Number 1.
really good. Let's continue.
2,
Can I get you anything to drink?
Okay, what is the best response from that one? One or two?
It's number 2.
Yes, I'll have
Yes.
tea, please. Really good.
Yes.
Let's continue.
3.
What would you like for dinner?
Okay, what would you like for dinner?
I like the
I
fish,
like
Number
please.
one.
One.
I'd like the fish, please. Really good.
4.
What kind of dressing would you like?
Okay, what kind of dressing would you like?
Italian, please.
Italian, please.
Italian, please.
Excellent. You remember, right? From the last class. Let's continue.
5.
What vegetable would you like?
Okay, what vegetables would you like?
Broccoli,
Broccoli,
please.
please.
only please.
Really good. Continue.
6.
Would you like dessert?
Okay, Grace, would you like dessert?
No,
I
I don't
don't
think
think
No,
so.
I don't think so.
No, I don't think so, right?
Yeah.
You're full. You can say, for example. Okay, yes, this way, please.
Yes,
Yes, I have tea, please. Number 3, I don't like the fish. Time, please. Broccoli, excellent. There you have it. I think that that one was not that difficult, but still you did it amazing. Okay, let me erase this. I want to see the time. I think that we are going to the breakout rooms in a few moments, guys. I really want you to practice a lot. Give me some moments. Let's see. Let's see. What do we have here? We had a role play, but for that I have actually a conversation, right? Let's see. Yes, I think that now is the time to go to the breakout rooms. I have something special in the breakout rooms. I will show you right now. Give me a moment. Let's see. Let's see. I just want to show you in advance what you will do, okay? Let's see. Where is the homework? Okay, here is the homework. X. Okay, I will stop sharing and I will do it instantly. I want to show you, okay, what you will do in the breakout rooms. It's not a big deal, okay? So this is what you will do in the breakout rooms. Here you have the conversation. Let me make it bigger. Okay, so you had conversation advice to a friend. So you had Pat and you had Katie, right? Pat and Katie. So as you can see, it's a little bit longer, right? You see, right? I mean, it's not difficult. This is not difficult. The thing is, it's a little bit longer, okay? It's not like the typical conversation you had in your book. This conversation has the purpose that you talk more, okay? I want you to talk even more, okay? So, voy a leerla solo una vez ahorita y después nos vamos todos a los breakout rooms a practicar, okay? I will just read it once really quickly, okay? So it says, Pat, hi Kay, I'm calling you to try on your shoulder. Do you mind if I come over? I really need to talk to you. Of course, I don't mind. Come over. I'll make a pot of tea. Pat, what's the matter? It's just that everything is wrong with my life. In the first place, there are so many problems at work. My boss is really out to get me. He is on my case for every little thing. Lately, I can't do anything that pleases him. Plus, it makes me so nervous that I am beginning to make unnecessary mistakes. Gary says, so, what's the reason for all of that? It's probably because he has problems at home, but doesn't give him the right to take it all out on me, does it? It's just the opposite. It's a work where we ought to seek a little peace so he can work out his personal problems at home. At least that's what I think. Pat says, I have the impression that nobody is really happy. The situation at my house doesn't exactly cheer me up either. You know what? Those two guys I share the house with don't have a clue about how to keep it clean. They don't lift a finger to help me. Last night I spent 2 hours cleaning the kitchen while they picked out on pizza and watched TV. I'm sick and tired of their behavior, but that's not the worst. As if that weren't enough, Brad refuses to talk to me, like out of the blue. He's decided he wants his space. I really feel like throwing in the towel. Calm down, Pat, and let's look at one thing at a time. I don't think things are as bad as they seem right now. For a start, why don't we make a list of the positive things in your life? That way you realize what what your strengths are. Then we'll make a plan to begin changing the things that aren't working for you. You shouldn't let yourself get depressed. Thanks, Katie. You know, I already feel much better. You really know how to cheer me up. Katie says, I care about you. After all, you are my best friend and had been from the get-go. I know I can count on you for good advice from time to time. Okay, there you have it. What do you think about the conversation? Do you see it like difficult, so-so? What do you think? I want to know right now. What do you say, guys?
I think so.
You think so-so?
Yes.
Okay, well, Hugo, that is the purpose, that this conversation gives you a little bit of challenge, okay? Es una conversación larga, extensa, lo sé, pero es el propósito, ¿ok? Salir de la zona de confort, de conversación así de libro, ¿verdad? De solo así. Una así es lo que, y de hecho, expresiones como las que están en negritas, porque son expresiones que un estadounidense ocuparía. Por ejemplo, ellos ocupan esta, la de out of the blue, no sé dónde está. Out of the blue significa, esto pasó de la nada, out of the blue, de la nada, out of the blue. Ok, entonces, en los breakout rooms van a practicar esto. Ok, una persona será Pat, otra persona será Kathy, luego se turnan y así, ok?
Teacher,
Chef,
I have a
Really
question.
good, okay?
puede
Yes, tell me,
mandarlo al
Carlos.
grupo de WhatsApp.
Yes, don't worry. I will do it now, okay? Give
Teacher,
me
I have a
some.
question.
Yes, tell me, Tricia.
Sometimes I watch TV series in English and they pronounce both either and either.
Either and either. Sí, son las dos maneras que ellos tienen para pronunciarlo. Cualquiera de las dos que está bien. Es como con behind. La mayoría estadounidenses dicen behind. De hecho, no dicen behind. Muy poquitos dicen behind. Entonces son como dos. O sea, either. Cualquiera de las dos está bien. Puede decir either, puede decir either. Es
Okay.
cuestión de con cuál se sienta más cómoda, ¿ok?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, okay? Yes, you see, guys, English is a really extensive language, so, oh my goodness, no se envió. ¿Por qué no se envió eso? Ok, ahora sí se envió. Ok, good, guys. So, asegúrense de practicar todo. Ya voy a ver de cuántos hago los breakup rooms. You are 20. Pero si hago de dos cada uno, se van a hacer bastantes. Ese es el problema. Sí. Let's see how many I can make. Probably like 7.
5
Okay.
groups
Five
of
groups.
Okay,
4.
5.
Ajá, de 4 integrantes.
Okay, good, thank you.
Me leyeron
Okay.
la mente.
Yeah, exactly. You are in synchrony, right? Really good, okay. Okay, so asegúrense de que, digamos, si en la primera ronda yo fui Pat, cuando nos turnemos otra vez, yo seré Katie en la otra, ok. Entonces, digamos que van a estar dos parejas por grupo. La primera pareja participa, luego la otra, digamos, la pareja 1 ya participó, va la pareja 2. Luego que la pareja 2 ya terminó, la pareja 1 vuelve, pero con los roles intercambiados y así, ok. La cosa es que todos, al menos una vez, sean Pat y sean Katie, ok. Really good.
Okay.
So make sure to practice. Y recuerden, no se achiquen porque un párrafo largo, léanlo, hagan el esfuerzo, ¿ok? El chiste es intentarlo, ¿ok? Really good. So, get into the breakout rooms and practice, ¿ok? And of course, if you have questions, I will be there, ¿ok? Yeah, excellent, guys. Thank you so much for getting back. Thank you for getting back. How was the activity? Did you like it? Didn't you like it? Was it difficult? So, what do you think? I want to know.
It was interesting and I knew a lot of vocabulary, but there were some new words also. There were
Like new
new
expressions.
expressions.
Exactly, new expression like out of the blue to cheer
Yeah.
me up and all that stuff. Okay, yes, we're going to take a look at some expressions. I think that it is good if you can take some notes because there are some expressions there that are used in conversation from people in the US. So I think that that is a really good reference. So excellent. Thank you guys for getting back. I hope that you enjoyed that activity. Remember, my purpose is not to make you feel uncomfortable or nervous. My
And
purpose is to
have
show
been
you
from the get go.
get go. You say the get
I
go.
now I can around on you for good albums from time to time.
From time to excellent, really good. Thank you so much, Carlos. You see, he was still practicing even in the main meeting. Thank you so much. Okay, really good. I like it. That's the passion I am looking for. You see, he went back, but no, he finished. He had to finish it. You see, guys. So excellent, really good. I like it. Thank you so much, Carlos. Well, thank you everyone for practicing. I like it. I understand that
It's
the
difficult. It's
yes,
difficult.
I understand. I understand it's difficult, right? No es la conversación típica del libro, como vieron, como pudieron ver, hay una diferencia, no es nada, unas 6, 7 líneas a esto que vieron, pero lo
Different.
hicieron. It's totally different. We say it's way different, right? Really good. So let's review the conversation for the last time. Solo vamos a ver como un feedback en general, okay? Don't worry. So, well, first of all, quizás les voy a mostrar lo que significan las expresiones, algunas, ¿verdad? Let's see, for example, well, algunas creo que ustedes las pueden inferir por el contexto, ¿ok? Por ejemplo, to cry on your shoulder. ¿Qué significa esto? To cry
Llorar
on
en
your
tu hombro.
Desahogarse, ¿ok? Desahogarse, okay?
Ujú.
Exactly, right? It's to
Puedo
lay
hablar.
out, to let out all your problems,
Ujú.
right? Excellent. Let's see. My boss is really out to get me. My
Es
boss is
como,
really
¿Qué quiere decir ahí, teacher?
es como estar
is
encima
out.
de mí, ¿no?
Exactamente,
Sí.
está constantemente ahí, ¿ve? Me tiene corto ahí, por ejemplo. Okay, it's really out to get me. Okay,
Thank you.
there you have it. No estar encima de alguien, ¿verdad? Constantemente. Really good. So let's see. Okay, here we have it. Give him to take it to take it all out on me. Okay, como deshogarse todo en mí, okay, de quitarse todo lo malo en él, okay. To take it. Esta cuesta porque son 3 preposiciones juntas. To take it all out on me, okay? I was noticing that some of you had some trouble saying this, right?
All
Well,
out.
it's just the opposite, so lo opuesto. Okay, so he can work out. Work out es resolver, okay? To work out es resolver sus problemas, okay? To work out. O puede ser también buscar solución, por ejemplo. We can work out a solution. Podemos buscar una solución. Okay, to work out es ingeniárselas, ok. Work out es ingeniarse algo. O en el contexto de gimnasio es literalmente hacer eso, lifting, and eso es también un workout, ok. So depende del contexto. Let's see. I love this expression. Cheer me up. What do you think? What
Es
is cheer
como
me up?
animarme.
Exactly, right? You are sad, so you go to your friends to cheer you up, right? To make you feel better. So es animar a alguien, ¿verdad? To cheer someone up. Cheer me up, anímame, ¿verdad? To cheer me up, okay? Really good. Let's see, don't have a clue. Don't have a clue is literally that they have no idea, okay? Don't have a clue es no entender nada. I have no clue. Por ejemplo, les puedo preguntar, do you understand, guys? You can say, I have no clue, okay? I have no clue. No tengo idea, okay? I have no clue. Y esa expresión sí la ocupan hasta en películas de Netflix y todo eso, que I have no clue. O solamente dicen no clue, ¿verdad? Como quien dice no sé, but no clue. Okay? You can say I have no clue or no clue. Okay? Doesn't matter. Let's see what else do we have here. Well, they don't leave a finger. Es como
No
en
mueve ni
español,
un dedo.
no levanta ni un dedo. It's literally, I think that we have the same expression in Spanish, right? I mean, they mean the same.
They don't do nothing. No,
They
they
don't
do
do
nothing.
anything.
Ah,
They don't do anything, you say, right?
they
They
don't
don't do
do anything.
anything, okay? While they pick out the, okay, so aquí, yo no sé qué significa, pero al ver el contexto, es como gasanear, okay? Last night I spent 2 hours cleaning the kitchen while they picked out on pizza and watched TV. So, picked out es como el gasanear, okay? O desperdiciar tiempo, okay? There you have it. Let's see, but as if that weren't enough, como si eso no fuera suficiente, okay? Esto lo tenemos en español también, right? As if that weren't enough, as if that weren't enough, okay? Brad refuses, okay, out of the blue, aquí está, like out of the blue. Like out of the blue es cuando algo pasa de la nada, sin que se lo espere, out of the blue, okay? For example, I was playing video games and out of the blue, my mother told me to turn the Xbox off. Por ejemplo, estaba jugando y me dijeron que lo apagara, okay? Or for example, I was driving my car and out of the blue, a motorcycle just passed in front of me. Estaba manejando y de la nada se me atraviesa una moto, okay? Just an example, okay? So out of the blue, okay? So out of the blue, cuando algo pasa de la nada, así, en un momento, sin que se den cuenta, out of the blue, okay? Y esta expresión la ocupan los estadounidenses, sí la ocupan, se lo aseguro que sí. Out of the blue, okay? Out of the blue. Out of the blue, de la nada, ¿verdad? Out of the blue, okay? Let's see, he wants his space, he wants privacy, right? He needs his privacy. Es como querer estar en privado. I want my own space, quiero mi privacidad, okay? Throwing in the towel significa rendirse, right? I want to throw out the towel
I
in
give up.
statistics. Exactly, right? Like you want to give up on something, right? Really good. Let's see. For a star, why? Okay, para comenzar, right? For a star, okay. Let's see where you have cheer me up, right? Once again, from the get-go, I am not really sure because I care about you. Pero por el contexto podemos inferir algo, dice. I care about you. After all, you are my best friend. And I have been from the get-go. So from the get-go es quizás desde hace mucho tiempo, okay? From the get-go. I can count on you, obviously, right? Contar en alguien, contar con la ayuda de alguien, okay? And from time to time, desde siempre, okay? From time to time. Really good, okay? And now, let's see, voy a ponerle las palabras en el chat, las que hay que trabajar un poquito, okay? Let's see, there are only a few words, okay? Y en el chat se las pongo. Algunas que escuché, okay? For example, nobody, nobody, algunos pronunciaban distinto, pero es nobody, okay? So it's like nobody. Cheer me up, cheer me up. That just requires practice. You say, cheer me up, cheer me up, cheer me up. La pieza puede decir despacito, cheer me up, cheer me up. And then you go faster, cheer me up. Thank you for the cheer me up, cheer me up, cheer me up, okay, cheer me up. Workout, workout. Algunos decían work out. No, that goes together, workout. La K como que se uniera con la O de out. Workout, workout, okay? You start slow, work out, work out. And then you go fast, workout, workout, workout. Este. Some people say shoulder, but we don't say shoulder. You need to be careful. If you siempre que vean SH, es like sh. Okay, so you say shoulder. Don't say shoulder, no, we don't say shoulder, we say shoulder. Si ven CH, sí es. El sonido de ch, ch. Este sonido lo tenemos en español, ¿verdad? El de la ch. Este sí existe. Este en palabras no lo tenemos, si no mal recuerdo. Por eso es que se nos queda decir esto. Decimos shoulder, but no, you don't say shoulder, you say shoulder, okay? Please keep that in mind. Ese sí lo noté en varios, okay? You say shoulder, okay? Remember, siempre que miren SH, S es si ven CH es el corto. Okay? You really need to make the difference, okay? Be careful with that word. With that word, you say shoulder, remember? Shoulder. We say T, K-T, lately, right? Lately, at least, ¿verdad? At least, algunos at last, no, at least. Y ahí es distinto, miren ahí, tienen CH, ahí sí es changing, es cortito, no es changing, no es changing. So, CH corto, SH largo, okay, so you had CH, so you know it's changing, okay? Depressed, depressed is no, depressed, así, depressed, tal cual, depressed. Now, we say now, some people say no, but no, you say now, okay? Now, we say them, okay? Them, advised, okay? Advice, be careful with that word, advice, okay? We say advised. Mother, what's the matter, right? What's the matter? This is pronounced mother, okay? Mother, what's the matter? Mother, mind, okay? Some people say mean, but no, you say mind. Recuerden que solita esta I suena como I, ¿verdad? So you say mind. Mind, do you mind, right? Mind. And we say plus. We don't say plus, no, we say plus. Always think about Disney Plus. Siempre acuérdense, Disney Plus, Amazon Plus, eso suena como plus. We don't say plus, no, okay? We don't say plus. We say plus, okay? Always think about Disney Plus and you will, okay, we say plus, okay? Plus. Pleases him, ahí estaba en la conversación, decía pleases him, so pleases him. Okay, we say throwing, right? Throwing, okay? Eso sí cuesta, okay? No, throwing, okay? And we say realized, some people pronounce it differently, but no, realized. Tiene hasta la estrés en la última, realized, and the eyes está realized, okay? Realized. Remember, you say and you realize. Some people say realize, but no, you say realized. And we say strength, okay? Strength. There you have it, okay? But as you can see, only a
Lo
few
acaba de mandar a mi
observations.
hermano. No
Okay?
tenemos otro audífono.
Really good, okay? Really good for you. Make sure to give her another headphones, okay? We need this. Okay, really good. Thank you so much, okay? Let's continue. So, overall, it was really good, okay? It was fantastic. Quizás la única observación general es esa, la del, si ven la SH es, si ven CH es corto, ¿ok? Es como la más, a la que más hay que prestar atención, ¿ok? Lo demás es que memoricen cómo pronunciar correctamente, ¿ok? So, I am really proud of you, I like it, ¿ok? Me gustó lo que vi y escuché, ¿ok? Algunos hasta sentí que se querían meter en personaje, no sé, los que eran Kate, I don't know why I felt that way, ¿ok? I like it, and I hope that you like it too, guys. I mean, remember, lo hice porque veo que a bastantes les gusta más en los breakout rooms, quizá les da nervios estar en la sala principal y lo entiendo, ¿ok? Noté que varios participaron más en el breakout room, eso me gustó. Así que creo que eso sí me dice que hay que seguir haciendo esto más seguido, ¿ok? I hope that you like it, okay? We are not done yet, okay? Don't go, don't just yet, don't go, okay? We'll start sharing my book once again. We are about to finish, okay? So let's take advantage of the last minutes to continue, okay? So remember, recuerden que vamos a hacer esto más seguido, okay? Les voy a mandar los breakout rooms, conversaciones largas, ¿verdad? Largas. porque el objetivo no es sacarlos, no ponerlos nerviosos, es simplemente que vean más material, ¿verdad? Ese es el propósito, ¿ok? Ni más ni menos. And now we have more reading, so I think that we can finish by reading, okay? I will read it first, and then if you want, you can repeat it. So it says, after high school, many students in the United States and Canada don't go straight to college. They get a job or take time off to travel before continuing their education. Most students are not sure what they want to do with their lives yet after high school. Their goals and plans become clearer after as they gain more life experience. Qué galán, ¿verdad? O sea, dice, no, no quiero, ¿sabes qué? A la uno, voy a pasear por todo el mundo, voy a tratar pimienta y aquí que puse aquí. Bueno, son leyes distintas, ¿ok? Pero qué galán, ¿verdad? Really good. So volunteers to read the paragraph. Excellent, Jennifer. Go ahead.
Um, After high school, many students in the United States and Canada don't go straight to college. They get a job or take time off to travel before continuing their education. Education. Most students are not sure what they want to do with their lives just after high school. Their goals and plans become clearer as they gain more life experience.
Life experience. There you have it. Okay, thank you so much, Jennifer. If you really want to get a deeper understanding of education, we say like a education.
Education.
Education. Sí, si mira los fonemas, aparte, o si usted busca
Ajá.
education en fonemas, le va a salir un simbolito, es
Ajá.
como una D con una 3 sonido. Ese sonido es la
Una D con una
una
rayita, ¿verdad?
con una 3, algo como un de 3 así junto. Entonces,
Ajá, ajá.
eso es education, right?
Education.
Es como una education. Okay?
Education.
Yes, there
Okay.
you have it. Thank you so much, Jennifer. Really good.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Xiomara, go ahead, please.
After high school, many students in the United States and Canada don't go straight to college. They get a job or take time off to travel before continuing their education. Most students are not sure what they want to do with their lives just after high school. Their goals and plans become clearer as they gain more life experience.
Okay. Excellent. Thank you so much, Xiomara. That was fantastic. I enjoyed it. Keep on practicing,
Thank you,
okay?
teacher.
You're welcome. Let's see, Ingrid. Thank you so much. All yours.
After high school, many students in the United States and Canada don't go straight to college. They get a job or take time off to travel before continuing their education. Most students are not sure what they want to do with their life. Just after high school, their goals and plans become clear as they gain more life experience.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Ingrid. I like it. Okay. I see that your fluency is getting even better within the class. It's really good. Okay. Alexis, thank you so much. All yours.
After high school, many students in the United States and Canada don't go straight to college. They get a job or take time off to travel before continuing their education. Most students are not sure what they want to do with their lives just after high school. Their goals and plans become clearer as they gain more life experience.
Excellent. Really good. I like it. I really enjoyed the rising and falling intonation you have there. Thank you so much. Well
Thank
done.
you.
Okay. You're welcome. Let's have, you're welcome. Patricia, thank you so much. Read it, please.
Yes, thanks. After high school, many students in the United States and Canada don't go straight to college. They get a job or take time off to travel before continue their education. Most students are not sure what they want to with their life just after high school. Their goals and plans become clearer as they gain more life experience.
Experience, excellent. Thank you so much, Patricia. That was fantastic. Okay, I really enjoyed it. You were gaining sort of confidence and fluency there. That was awesome. Okay, only a few words. We say straight, continuing, lives. Okay, we say lives. Yeah, I think that, yeah, what they want to do with their lives. Okay, only that. The rest was splendid. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed it. Let's have Jonathan Alexander. Thank you for your patience. All yours.
After high school, many students in the United States and Canada don't go straight to college. They get a job or take time off to travel because continue their education. Most students are not sure what they want to do with their lives just after high school. Their goals and plans become clearer as they gain more life experience.
As they gain more life experience. Thank you so much, Jonathan. That was fantastic. Okay. We say continuing. Okay, before continuing their education. Okay, really good. Thank you so much. Okay, Carlos Rodolfo, go ahead, please.
After high school, many students in the United States and Canada don't go straight to college. They get a job or take time off to travel before continuing their education. Most students are not sure what they want to do with their life just after high school. Their goals and plans become clear, cleaner as they gain more life experience.
Excellent, really good. Thank you so much, Carlos. That was excellent. I enjoyed it. Okay. Remember we say it straight. Okay, we say it straight. Continuing. Let's see. Clearer. Okay, clearer. Okay, their implants
Clearer.
become clearer as they gain more life experience. Excellent. That was really good. Okay, keep on practicing. Let's have Sarai Torres. Thank you so much. All yours.
After high school, many students in the United States and Canada don't go straight to college. They get a job or take time off the travel before continuing their education. Most students are not sure why they want to do with their lives just after high school. Their goals and the plans become clearer as they gain more life experience.
Okay, excellent. Thank you so much, Sarai. That was fantastic. I enjoyed it. You were showing really good fluency and you read it quickly. I think that you improved a lot. Thank you so much. Okay, let's have Hugo Lecinos. All yours. Go ahead, please.
After high school, many students in the United States and Canada don't go straight to college. They get a job or take time off to travel before continuing their education. Most students are not sure what they want to do with their lives. Just after high school, their goals and plans become clearer as they gain more life experience.
For life experience, excellent, really good. Thank you so much. So, yes, the stress is different experience, and we say their lives. Okay, only that. The rest was splendid. So thank you so much, Hugo. I really enjoyed it. And finally, Esmeralda, thank you for your patience. Read it, please.
After high school, many students in the United States and Canada don't go straight to college. They get a job or take time off to travel before continuing their education. Most students are not sure what they want to do with their life just after high school. Their goals and plans become clearer as they gain more life experience.
Experience. Excellent. Thank you so much, Esmeralda. That was splendid, okay? Excellent. Good improvement. Karen Yesenia, thank you so much. All yours.
After high school, many students in the United States and Canada don't go straight to college. They get a job or they die of to travel before continuing their education. Most students are not sure what they want to do with their life. Just after high school, their goals and plans become clear as they gain more life experience.
Okay, more life experience. Really good. Thank you so much, Karen. Just remember one word we say clearer. Okay, clearer as they gain more life experience. Thank you so much, guys. That was fantastic. I really enjoy when you practice, especially since this paragraph is really short. I think that I love it because I mean, when it is really short, we have the time to have as many people as possible to practice. Okay, so now we have here are some people's dreams for their future. What does each person hope to do or be? Write the sentences. Okay, so we need to put the sentences on what they want on what they want to achieve. So this guy wants to have a family. Okay, interesting, right? I think that it is really good. So now we have what is she dreaming about? We have I'm going to become a chef. I'd really love to perform on Broadway. I'd like to be a reporter. I plan to practice law. I hope to be a teacher. What is her dream?
I play to practice law.
I plan to practice law. Okay, law. We say law. Okay, really good. I plan.
Law.
Sí, así, sí. Es bien simple la pronunciación de eso. I want to practice law. Okay, I want to practice law. Right, law. Así tal cual, right? Law. I want to practice law. Okay. Now number 3, what is she dreaming about?
I like to be a
I
reporter.
like to be a reporter.
A reporter, right? Or
Rep,
a journalist.
report.
A reporter. Okay, really good. A reporter. Really good. Okay, number 4, what is she expecting to be?
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
be a
be a
chef.
chef.
A chef. Chef.
Excellent, really good. Sorry, it was a contraction, right? I'm going to be a chef. Okay. And number 5, hey, that's me.
I hope to be a teacher.
Hope to be a teacher. Interesting, you see, I do this. I hope to be a teacher. Hope to be a teacher. Aunque el de la imagen veo que es una réplica, es estadística, así que no. Okay. I hope to be a teacher. There you have it. Okay. And finally,
I really love to perform on Broadway.
to perform on Broadway.
To perform.
Yes, to perform. Yes, really good. Okay. Hey, someone wrote something and tell me.
Teacher.
Okay. Okay. Excellent. Thank you. Really good, Jennifer. Okay. Excellent. Don't worry. I understand that you had that religious conference. Okay, well, religious thing to take care of. Okay, I really love to perform. Right, we say to perform on Broadway. Okay, excellent. Okay, so thank you guys. I think that that is pretty much all for today. Right, I like that today we practiced a lot. I think that you spoke a lot. Right, that was my purpose. So I stop sharing for now. So that is all for today. Have a good night. See you back on Wednesday, okay? Good night, everyone.
See you. Good
Bye-bye.
night.
Bye. See you on
Bye.
Friday, teacher.
Excellent, yes. For the rest, see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye, guys. Good night.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.